How to upload Instagram Reels in high quality. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from App Guide, and in today's guide video, I will simply show you how you can upload high quality Instagram Reels. But before we get started, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So if you have ever tried to upload a reel before, you may have noticed that whenever you post your video and before the upload, your video is actually in really high quality, but then after you upload it, Instagram Reel is actually going to compress that and reduce the quality of your videos, and it gets a little blurry when you're trying to upload it. And in this video, I will simply show you how you can fix that. Now, if I go ahead and open my Instagram app, and then if I tap on the Reels button and then try to post a reel or something, it is automatically going to reduce the Instagram video quality. So for that, what you have to do is, I have left a link in the description box. You have to download that certain app on your Android phone, and after you download that app, which is basically this app which I will show you over here, and this is the app which you want to download. So once you've downloaded that app, I'm going to simply open it, and then you have to log into your Instagram account. Once you log into your Instagram account, this time what you want to do is, from the very bottom right hand corner, you have to tap on your profile icon. So go ahead and tap on your profile icon. As you tap on your profile icon, on the very top right hand side, you can see those three horizontal lines. You have to simply tap on these three horizontal lines. Now over here at the very top, you'll find this gear icon which says settings, which says Insta Pro settings in this crown icon. So all you have to do is simply tap on the Insta Pro settings option. As soon as you do that, you'll be able to see a bunch of different options over here, and you'll find this option which says enhancement. All you have to do is simply tap on the enhancement button. As you tap on the enhancement button, you'll be able to see a bunch of different options. Over here, if you look closely halfway down the button, you have this option which says improve Reels quality. And all you have to do is simply turn this toggle on in order to improve the quality of the video on Instagram, like your Reels and IGTV videos and so on. So if you turn this toggle on next to improve Reels quality, now you can come back basically and then try to upload a reel, reload the Instagram app, go ahead and tap on the Reels button at the very bottom of the screen, and then check if your issue has been fixed or not, which will most likely fix the issue. You have to download that particular app, for which I have left a link in the description box. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.